Well, hey, it's Catherine and Erica. We're here with our newest collection for winter.
I'm ready to curl up for the winter. What about you?
I wish I had a coffee and a good book, I think.
I can arrange that.
Oh, I don't know about you, but when the weather starts to turn and it starts to get a bit chilly, I just want to sit and have a cup of something hot, read a good book, cuddle with my kitties.
And
your
that's
puppy
what
doggy.
This new collection is all about. We are introducing the Curl Up with Winter collection.
October 15th.
Let's dive in. I want to show you all of the wonderful things that are coming.
You're going to love it.
We're going to start out this collection with the Good Book Bundle.
This one's so cute.
This is the Good Book stamp set, and I have 2 videos showing you how to stamp these images. One is a very short one, and then a longer project video. You are going to have so much inspiration with this adorable little stamp set. We have a couple stacks of books, this fun globe, a little plant, 2 owls, which were inspired by my bookshelves at home because I have some owls on there, some little porcelain decorations.
Me too.
We have the Write at Home patterned paper. So we have a nod to winter right in there because we are curling up with a good book for the winter.
And these paper patterns, some of them were inspired by wallpaper to give you that kind of cozy corner feel. And then we also have some gorgeous prints that show the books, a cup of tea, some floral imagery, and even a funky wood grain. I love this color combo.
This
funky wood grain.
Yes. So fun. So clay mask, amber green tea, winter green skylight glacier, and the beautiful cashmere and cargo. Now for sequins, we recommend grabbing these 3, and we do have a bundle at a discount for you. The Zermatt, which is a beautiful peach and mint mix with some snowflakes.
Perfect for winter.
Radio City.
Oh, look at that. The winter green and the pops of green and gold. That one's really pretty.
And
Bogota. That has more of the icy blues in it, so that's going to look great with the skylight.
Ready to look at some cards?
I would love to.
We didn't talk about this yet. Hold tight.
Okay.
Ta-da! We have a bookshelf in these card samples here, but also in the video I have coming up, there's a couple ways to use this. These cards here are the ones that I'm making in an upcoming video.
Oh.
This is from the on-the-shelf cover plate die. Using the
negative pieces, we designed it so you would have 0 waste. You can use either the frame bit or you can use them together, which we have a card with that.
Okay, here.
Where Alina used them together. I put pattern paper behind my shelves to look like a wallpaper. You know when you wallpaper the back of a bookshelf?
So when we had our bookshelves done, one set of bookshelves I chose no wallpaper, and the other one I chose a subtle, so it didn't compete with my beautiful books. Fun, like funky wallpaper.
Yeah, really
super
pretty.
Fun
Good
too.
texture too.
Just adds a lot of personality.
Super cute. So that is the Good Book Bundle.
Next up is the Excerpts bundle. So it starts with the Excerpts stamp set. Isn't it nice to think that tomorrow is a new day with no mistakes in it yet?
Yes, ma'am. And Green Gables.
I knew when I met you an adventure was going to happen.
I like that one a lot. It's cute.
Winnie the Pooh. The world breaks everyone, and afterward, many are strong at the broken places. What a great, encouraging sentiment.
Yeah.
Farewell to arms.
There is nothing I would not do for those who are really my friends. And that one's from Northanger Abbey. You have been my friend. That in itself is a tremendous thing from Charlotte's Web. Oh, I love that.
There is no happiness like that of being loved by your fellow creatures and feeling that your presence is an addition to their comfort by Jane Eyre. We have all of the dies to cut out the sentiments. We have some foliage, some flowers. We have the glasses, the pencil, and the cup of tea. What a great set.
Yes, please. And then how about those gilded oval dies? Let's take a look at some of these products in action.
So here I did a background. I just colored in the heart with the tea bags, did some ink blending with skylight and wintergreen, and then the gilded frames, I added a center cutout of vellum. I love this by Alina.
I love that card
She
so
stamped
much.
with the back of the glasses and then stamped the glasses over the top.
That's a technique Alina loves to do, and I always love it and then never think to do it. But it's so cute. Oh, look at that with the gilded oval frames. That is really, really pretty. And just little pops, those 2 little flowers. And with these excerpt sentiments, they're really big, so they can totally be the star of the show.
I love how she just stamped the pencils like that in the coordinating colors with the plaid.
Oh, this one's pretty. Look at that ink technique.
So this is just watercolor with Catherine Pooler inks, and it just makes a really nice backdrop for the sentiment, a simple die cut, and a striking black strip of cardstock on the side.
Also, you can see that the Write at Home pattern paper absolutely works with these products perfectly, so it looks great paired up.
I love this technique where you just mask off part of it, do some ombre, ink blending, and then stamp on the background and just add on that sentiment.
Really clean and simple, but really pretty. Now we have our Cozy Corner Bundle. Oh my goodness. This features the Cozy Pet Stamp Set and Dies, and I am in love. We've got a little kitty and 2 little puppy doggies in their Cozy Corner chairs, just living their best lives. And we put in some accents as well with a little dog bone, a little cat toy, and a cool mod lamp.
This chair is similar to a chair that I have at home, so watch for the video because I snuck a picture of my chair in there.
Cute.
And then we have the die cuts.
And the Deco Flourishes cover plate die, which is stunning. And that one again is another ode to wallpaper pattern, and it looks gorgeous white on white or with ink blended behind. You can even pop some pattern paper back there, but oh, this one, look, wait, ready?
Oh, so fun.
Oh, those are cute too. Oh, look, she left some of the pieces in and took some out, and a couple more.
I did these, and this is the video that's coming.
You did a beautiful job,
So
Catherine.
stay on the lookout and look at the scene.
And she lightly stamped that background with that floral stamp to give the wall some texture.
And the TBR bundle. I love this little set. Even if I wasn't going to do tracking for my books, I would want these elements here. The little banners and the stripes.
Little washi kind of thing. So that is the Track It 3x4 stamp set, and it has a coordinating set of dies. And then we have the Mark and Track bookmark dies. You can do it like this with the tracking insert and the little pocket. How cute is that pocket? And you could make a little gift. You could tuck in a gift card for a drink or maybe a bookstore.
Absolutely.
That's so cute.
And you can also take this pocket and put it inside a card and then tuck your gift card in there.
Ooh, we're going to have to do that. So here are some samples with the Mark and Track bookmark set.
I love this, all the books. I want all the books.
All of them.
Oh, this is precious.
So the idea is that you can keep a list of books that you are going to read, and then you can like rate them or put little notes in as you go along. Keep it tucked in your current book.
And this one has a double pocket. Look at that.
Cute.
Yeah.
So that is the TBR bundle.
So that is our new collection, Curl Up with Winter, hitting the store on October
15th. And guess what, Catherine?
What?
If our friends make an order of $50 or more, they will have a code to get the Personalize This stamp set for free. Super cute way to label gifts that you've baked, cards that you've made, or keep your books labeled so that when you loan them to friends, they know who to give them back to.
So thanks so much for joining us for our October winter release, and we will see you again really soon. Be sure to stay tuned on YouTube because project videos are coming your way.
Woohoo! I can't
All right.
wait.
We'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.